Hey, how's it going, guys? Jack and Matt here with the Toaster Bros, and today we're partying together a very nice next-gen gaming PC for $1,200.
And this video was made possible by our friends at Antec. Big thanks again to them for sponsoring another PC build guide. They like to sponsor a bunch of build guides and showcase some of their new cases, and this right here is a legendary case. This is their new version of the Performance 1 case, so it has a lot of cool features under the hood, has a bunch of nice airflow, and a pretty modern design that we're excited to build in. But today we're doing a PC build that takes advantage of the used graphics card market, which is really hot right now with an RTX 3070, and we're gonna make a pretty crazy gaming PC for $1,200. So big shout out again to Antec for sponsoring this PC build. Definitely check the link down below to see all the cases they have to offer, and we'll talk more about this case here in a minute, but let's go ahead and talk about each individual part and how it makes up this PC build.
For the CPU, we have this i5-13400F. Now, one thing that I like about this generation is you actually get the efficiency cores and the performance cores. So this one's technically a 10-core 16-thread instead of the traditional i5F processors being a 6-core 12-thread. So we're definitely gonna have some really good performance with this and Gen 4 and Gen 5 support. Now for the motherboard, we had to go with the full-size board because this is one big full-size case. We have this MSI Pro B760-P Wi-Fi DDR4. You really could go DDR5. I really think you should because it's just latest and greatest, but if we're being realistic, you're not gonna see much gaming performance out of going DDR5, and it does save some money, which we were really trying to do with this build. But look at this board. It's a very pretty board, and these boards are just a little over $100 usually, which is not bad at all. You're definitely saving some money not going Z6 or Z790 route. So for that RAM, we have the DDR4 OLOy kit of RGB, and this is a 2-stick kit for dual channel, 32 gigs total. It is CL16, 3200 megahertz RAM, RGB. I mean, what more could you ask for? And for the storage, we have this Teamgroup Cardea 0Z440, and that is a 1TB Gen 4 SSD. And these are actually really good drives. We really love working with Teamgroup on this stuff, and we like using their RAM, but we also really like their Gen 4 storage.
So this right here, guys, is the used graphics card deal. This is a Zotac RTX 3070, and we picked this thing up for like $330. You know what, let me check the build sheet right here for PCBros.tech. We ended up paying $334, which compared to the new market right now, I mean, you're getting a really good deal with this card. It's a 3-fan card, which kind of looks like a finger hazard here, you know, like the fans are exposed or whatever. But regardless, it's a really powerful card. You got that NVIC encoder, great for live streaming, and it's more than capable of 1440p gaming in the latest titles, which we will be testing here during the benchmarks. And to power this whole build, we have the Thermaltake ToughPower series of power supplies. This is the ToughPower GF1 750 watt, 80 plus gold. 700 or 750 watts would be more than enough for this PC build. Gives you enough room to upgrade in the future. And Thermaltake makes some pretty reliable units, and this is definitely one of them. Now the star of the show. This is the Antec Performance 1, which is a really high airflow case and really well built. Now this case is, I think, just a little over $100, which is a pretty impressive price point for this thing. It has a very industrial look to it. It does come with 3 140 fans pre-installed, basic 140 fans, so you can opt to stick with those, but we will be swapping them to some RGB fans because, hey, we're the Toasty Bros here. We love our RGB fans, and it has spots for a big radiator up top and another fan at the back, and it has tempered glass on both sides, so you better do good cable management in this case because you're going to show it off. And one thing that Antec wanted us to mention is this case actually won the Red Dot Award for case design in 2023, which is pretty cool. And as you can see right here, this case comes with an awesome little temperature LCD display that all you gotta do is hook up via USB and download their software from their website. So if you do end up getting this case, definitely go over to antec.com to download the software to actually activate it, but it looks pretty cool. At the price point, you really can't complain. You really wouldn't have to upgrade the fans if you don't want to. You could just build this PC without the RGB if you don't care about RGB, and it'll work just fine. But again, we're gonna add some RGB, make this thing look nice and cool. Let's not waste any more time and put this thing together.
Alright guys, we're playing Halo Infinite and we are on high settings, and oh goodness, it's this mode again.
This mode again.
We're playing some gun game, y'all.
All the benchmarks we do, by the way, will be at 1440p because, I mean, we have a 3070. You gotta definitely take advantage of that. Oh, ooh, trade, nice trade. As you can tell, this big case is big. But you know what? The airflow is really good. I mean, temperatures are very solid. CPU is running nice and cool. GPU is well within the normal operating temperature. And yeah, very impressed with this case so far. Yeah. Get him. Yeah.
Are we ready for the next weapon, guys? That's almost scary. Double kill. Yeah, so far though, we're getting over 100 FPS, which I'm pretty happy with. I mean, I think I'm gonna be able to clap some cheeks today.
Oh, you spiked
Wait,
too
did
early.
I get him off that? That would have been such a, that would have gone in my montage. Bro, just let me out of this godforsaken place.
How do I get out of this one? Grappled in. Oh!
Yes.
Oh, that guy's done.
Oh, I love the grapple system in this too.
Oh, double kill.
Quad.
Oh! Skewer them. Oh, yes. Oh, nope. Hey, your team leveled up. Where are we going? This is close. This is close. Hey. Oh,
Dude,
wow.
I'm playing with a bunch of dummies.
Oh man, but the performance is good. Halo runs great, 1440p high settings. Let's move on to a game that's gonna run amazing. Fortnite, baby. All right, guys, we're gonna drop with the bots because Fortnite just threw. Yep, here we go. We're dropping with the bots, baby. And we're at 1440p high settings with quality super resolution. And yeah, let's just go ahead and land here, I guess.
It's like nothing. You're in farmland.
I'm in farmland. I'm in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, you're getting shot at. Good thing it felt like a bot.
But yeah, this performance is fine. Maxing out the GPU 100%. Okay.
Did you get shot from two different people?
I can't
Yeah,
tell.
you're getting shot from different people.
Yeah!
Man said, I'm dipping.
I got a blast! Sneaky like a snake. All right, we got.
Oh, you're taking it with you.
Yes, let's freaking go. We could drive for miles. I hit something too. So oh. Calster, replay that.
This is gameplay.
Oh!
They're hiding behind their bot. Oh, look, yeah, that really is there. Like, they follow them around.
Well, you know what?
How do you get one of those?
I needed one of those. That's.
What the hell? And they're doing dances on it.
Well, that was Fortnite. That was a good old time. Honestly, I had a lot of fun on my bike. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is stress this thing to its absolute limits and run some built-in benchmarks and wrap this video up real quick because I think this Performance One case is a pretty good option.
All right, guys, so we just got done benchmarking this gaming PC, and it was pretty freaking awesome. Not only did it look great, and it was quiet, but it also performed amazing.
But yeah, it was really fun to build inside the Performance One from Antec. It has a lot of room for a lot of airflow. Even in our build, there's a lot more space to add more fans if you want to. You can even go with some of Antec's fans if you want to go that route as well. But very good airflow, very good build quality, and you should definitely check the link down below to build a gaming PC using this case, or build this exact one by using the affiliate links down below. If you use those links, they will help us out.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
So this PC right here will be for sale at PCBros.tech, and we highly recommend going and take a look at it because you can score some really good deals.
PCBros.tech, we sell gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and merch. Buy that merch today over at PCBros.tech and use code TOASTYBROS21 at checkout to save 2% on your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye. Now, before I go, McAllister, here's a voiceover in case they ask about this LCD display, because they probably will.